guys, welcome back. It's been a minute, but you know what? It's November and that means I can put my Christmas hat on and I'm so excited. If you know me, you know I'm a bit of a Christmas freak, but you know, Halloween has come and gone, and if it means we can get into the Christmas treats, I don't see why not. So let me show you what I'm going to make today. Today I'm making something super easy, super simple. It's done in about 20 minutes. Anyone can do it, and it's really fun because you can customize it to what kind of flavors you like. So I'm making white chocolate and raspberry bark, and today I'm putting in some pretzels and some rice bubbles because I love that salty crunch of the pretzels and the nice texture from the rice bubbles. But like I said, you can customize this however you like. You could do M&Ms, you could do some cereal, some nuts would be nice. Make it your own, do whatever you like. The process will still be the same and it's really fast, so let me show you how I do it. So we're starting off on the stove. I've got a little bit of simmering water here and I'm going to put my white chocolate on top, and this will just help it to melt slowly and nicely. I've also got in here 1 tablespoon of a neutral oil, so you could use coconut oil or I'm using rice bran oil, and that's just going to help to make it nice and smooth. So you can melt your white chocolate in the microwave, but white chocolate tends to be very temperamental, meaning that it can seize quite easily, which if you've ever done it, you'd know it kind of chunks up into a ball and it's not nice and smooth and melted like this. And the oil also helps with that, but also doing it at a more constant temperature on the stove like I've done here kind of prevents the seizing from happening. Not always, it can still happen, but I find it's a more surefire way to get it done nicely. So once it's all nice and smooth, we're just going to tip it onto our baking sheet that's lined with some baking paper and just go for it. You want to avoid having any areas where it's too thin or it's not going to hold when you put things on top of it. And if you just give it a tap on the bench, that'll kind of even it out nicely. And once that's all nice and even, we can put our toppings on. So I'm going to start with my pretzels because they're the biggest. And you can just kind of crumble them up. You can have some whole pieces as well. So that's all done and prepared, and now I'm going to put that in the freezer for about 10 minutes until it's nice and set. If you don't have room in your freezer, you can just pop it in the fridge, probably about 20 minutes until it's set. So how easy was that? It's ready, like so fast. And all we've got left to do is just break it up and put it onto a beautiful Christmas plate. Or you can wrap it up and put it in some pretty gift packaging for your friends for Christmas. So let's do it. Now just remember, this is white chocolate and it hasn't been tempered, so that means it's not going to stay nice and hard. once it comes up to room temperature, it is just going to melt. So put it back in the fridge when you are done breaking it into pieces, or make sure you just keep it stored in the fridge when you're not eating it. And there we go, a beautiful Christmas plate of treats ready to share with your friends and family, or not, because quite frankly it is so delicious. I think I'll just put it away for myself. If you guys liked this recipe, you can check out more on my website, messiejessie.co.nz, and I'll see you again soon with another video.